People of chaos, a message has just been intercepted from the planet Earth, located on the far side of the galaxy. This may be just the program we need to introduce order into chaos before it's too late. Prepare for receiving message. Message tracked to Japan, east sector of planet, northern hemisphere. Immediate reconnaissance requested. Repeat, immediate reconnaissance requested. Purpose of mission. 1. Investigate meaning of 5S. 2. Study practical examples of 5S in action. 3. Report back in detail. The RPHP and ID5S robots will provide assistance and record all data. Good luck. May the power of improvement be with you.
Back down to Earth. Right. I'm ready to take a long drive. So, what should I do first?
You should visit a gas station.
Preparation is important. Let's look at the next step of 5S, cleaning.
Okay.
Regular maintenance is very important for a car. Careful cleaning and checking guarantee a comfortable, trouble-free drive. And in the workplace as well, cleaning and checking can reveal many minor defects or abnormalities. But we are not talking here simply about surface polishing. In 5S, cleaning has a much wider meaning.
Question 1. What is the real meaning of cleaning?
I must admit I really hate cleaning. Is cleaning really so important?
Cleaning is very important. We can divide the real meaning of cleaning into 3 points. 1. Cleaning is checking. 2. Eliminating the causes of grime. And 3. Maintaining optimum conditions. At this factory, many different tools are produced for both domestic and industrial use. Preliminary cleaning revealed various parts of machines which had problems of one sort or another. As you can see here, they were all in very bad condition, either rusty or worn out.
During the early stages of cleaning, the problem was that we cleaned one day and everything was dirty again the next. We then had to begin a search to find the source of the dirt. At last, we realized that oil was leaking from the nipple, although we had never imagined that was possible. We took the nipple off, but examining it from the outside, we still couldn't see what was wrong with it. Then we decided to cut it in half to show the inside, and the problem became clear.
The first purpose of cleaning is simply to get rid of all dirt and dust and make all the equipment we use really clean. The reason for this, as we've just seen, is that thorough cleaning always leads to the discovery of abnormalities or defects. Their eradication can lead to improved work efficiency and general productivity. In other words, the effects of proper cleaning are considerable, and that is why we can say that cleaning equals checking.
The first answer to question 1, cleaning equals checking.
Cleaning can lead to more efficiency. But if you spend a lot of time on cleaning, doesn't that mean that the production time will be cut down?
Now let's visit a company that produces special steel for car parts. It has some good examples of complete cleaning which has led to increased efficiency. This basement pit used to be filthy, as you can see in this photo. They attached a partial cover over the source of the grime to avoid it spreading around, and also fitted a transparent cover to make checking easier. If grime reappears immediately after cleaning has been done, you get trapped in a vicious circle. To avoid this, you must find out where grime comes from, and then devise a countermeasure to reduce the time spent on cleaning and so increase efficiency and productivity. That is what the cleaning step of 5S is all about.
The second answer to question 1, eliminate the causes of grime.
Oh, this is hard work. Now I see. Cleaning doesn't finish with spot treatment, like bashing these moles, right? We have to find the source of the problems as well.
This particular furnace is heat-treating stainless steel. There is just one operator for this huge heat treatment furnace. But he is not just the operator, he is also in charge of all maintenance. This improvements map shows all the improvements he has implemented.
Although I'm in charge of this equipment, of course everyone helps me with any major problems that come up. But I worked on the improvements by myself. For example, to check whether any materials are left over inside the furnace, there is a peephole. We used to have to open it, which released a very hot blast of air. It was very dangerous work. Now we use heat-proof glass, and it's possible to see inside the furnace without opening the window. Devising improvements like this really makes the work more interesting and also reduces minor stoppages and breakdowns.
If cleaning is done based on the idea that cleaning equals checking and that countermeasures are needed at the source of problems, then machinery and equipment will always work at optimum levels and have a longer working life. In other words, cleaning also means maintaining optimum conditions.
The third answer to question 1, maintain optimum conditions. Review of answers to question 1. Cleaning is checking, eliminate causes of grime, maintain optimum conditions.
Well, I've decided that thorough cleaning is important. important, but the problem now is that I've no idea of where to start. Is there some kind of routine, I wonder?
Question 2. What are the procedures for thorough cleaning?
In order to initiate 5S, there is of course a proper procedure to follow. 1. Choose a model machine, line or factory. 2. Prepare for cleaning. 3. Implement cleaning. 4. Attach tags. 5. Devise countermeasures for problem points and places difficult to clean. 6. Analyze effects. And 7. Create cleaning standards. Now we'll look at each of these in turn. The first thing is to choose a certain piece of equipment or area of the workplace to serve as a model and implement complete cleaning only there. Random cleaning serves no purpose at all. You must start with a model-oriented approach. Supervisors should start the process by selecting as a model a machine which has had lots of breakdowns or a piece of equipment which has had product quality problems. These models will serve as good examples to everyone else. The next stage is preparation for cleaning, and the vital first step here is safety education. Thorough cleaning in 5S terms means getting at places you don't normally reach and handling parts that are not often touched in order to remove all the grime. There is obviously a strong element of danger here. Create a responsibility map which clearly indicates which areas or pieces of equipment are assigned to which person, and also a cleaning schedule sheet. Let's take a look at the major items to which we need to apply safety education. When cleaning buildings, floors, measuring instruments, jigs and tools, it's necessary to recognize inherent danger points and how accidents can be avoided in advance. This kind of safety education needs to be done very thoroughly. Once all the preparation has been completed, full implementation of cleaning can be launched. We begin with the outer surfaces, removing grime and rust and polishing until we get down to the original surface. But we shouldn't proceed with any operations such as painting or rust proofing just yet. They come after we've devised countermeasures in the 5th stage. We can then move on to cleaning inner parts by stripping down the machines as far as possible and cleaning each part in turn. This stage will often reveal many problem points in accordance with the basic principle that cleaning equals checking. It's important not to forget lubrication points, and also to check for screws which need tightening or dirty threads on screw mounts. An alignment mark can be used to indicate proper tightening at a glance. Every point where there is a breakdown, an abnormality, or a source of grime should be clearly marked with a tag. Do this fully, and the machine will end up looking like a Christmas tree. Next, countermeasures. Each problem point is dealt with in turn, and the tags can then be removed. Partial covers, or transparent covers, are very popular ways of dealing with the sources of dirt problems. This machine dealing with pharmaceutical powder was given a cloth cover to prevent scattering, a simple but highly effective countermeasure. Here's another example to do with powder. A kind of paper hat fitted over the motor serves very effectively as a filter, reducing cleaning time to a simple exchange of filters. Here's an example of cleaning places which are difficult to reach, comparing the situation before and after. Before improvement, there was a lot of grime on places not normally visible, for example, beneath the footplate. A section of the plate was made easily removable to facilitate cleaning, and a trapdoor was cut in the plate to make valve inspection simpler. Transparent windows were also cut in the metal side door to speed up checking. The next step is to check how far cleaning has proceeded and what effects it has had. Necessary data includes daily and total cleaning hours. It's also useful to draw up a map indicating all the points of sources of grime or oil leaks where countermeasures have been applied. In addition, accumulate as much data as possible as a solid base for checking effects. For example, the number of screws which needed to be tightened, how many labels were removed, and the number of occurrences of minor defects. Record this data for future reference. Finally, we can use our experience of working on the model case to create cleaning standards. What we want to avoid is standards which are too detailed or complicated. Regular cleaning and checking cannot cover too many items. The thing to do is to pick out essential items to create simple, easy to understand standards for cleaning.
I see now that the way to create a clean and comfortable workplace is to follow the 7 steps.
The answer to question 2. Follow the procedures for thorough cleaning. Choose model, preparation, implementation, tags, countermeasures, analyze effects, standards.
Well, the cleaning procedures I now understand, but what I'd like to see next is exactly what kind of results workplaces can get from cleaning. Let's check together.
Question 3. What are the effects of thorough cleaning?
This plant produces sheet glass for buildings and vehicles. It has many good examples of countermeasures.
This looks like a normal forklift truck. Any countermeasures here?
Yes, for a start, the white tires.
White tires?
Yes, what color are normal tires?
Black.
Right, but if they're black, they don't show the dirt much, and they may spread the dirt on the floor. But white tires...
show the dirt clearly. That's very clever. What's that?
It's a dish to collect dirt from the tires.
I see. It's a real countermeasure at the source of the problem.
Now let's look at countermeasures for walls and ceilings. This warehouse is in the process of undergoing complete cleaning.
Wow! The color's completely different. Have they painted it?
No, they just got rid of the dirt to reveal the original concrete. The effect was to brighten up the whole room.
150ルックスから800ルックスまでに
The lighting level in this room varies between 150 and 800 lux. As you can see, the walls and ceiling used to be black with the grime accumulated over 20 years. Nobody had ever bothered to clean them. Neither had they touched the lampshades, although the fluorescent tubes were cleaned about once a year. But this time we cleaned everything, including all the shades. And at the same time, we also did some painting that seemed necessary. What we've achieved here makes it much easier for other groups in the factory when they come to do their cleaning. At the beginning, we really didn't know much about the principles of cleaning. For example, what kinds of solvents or detergents to use. But now we have this experience to build on, and we have the confidence to reduce the time spent on cleaning by at least 50%.
Answer to question 3. Thorough cleaning can increase work efficiency and avoid accidents and breakdowns. Input completed.
That's it for the cleaning step. Cleaning equals checking, and that makes it much easier to search out any problem points. Get everything clean and make sure it stays that way. That's about it. If we put ourselves in the position of the machine or the product, we can find problem points that we never thought of before. I wonder what problem points my robots have. See you!
I'm clean, and all the data is safely stored.
I think you need checking. Me too.
Quick, let's go.
Go.
Welcome back to chaos. Tell us what techniques you have learned this time for bringing order to chaos.